What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. We are on our Lego kick, so we are going to. This is our first Lego we did. I did that as a short, man. I'm gonna put a couple clips in of the Lego. I am currently starting a new Lego, so we about to hop into that video right now. I even have another set ready for after this one for the next video. So let's hop into this video, man. We're gonna hop into our Star Wars Legos. I'm doing those first. So let's go. Wars words, there are always spare pieces when they send you these sets, so you'll always have pieces over. Don't throw them away, keep them. You never know when you might need them, but every set you get, there's going to be spare pieces I'm going to see. But yes, now let's go downstairs to the man cave. Find no place to put it. All right, guys, man, back down in the man cave. I figured out where I was going to put it. Had to clear off a spot. Had to go get a little riser for it, but I think that it looks great where it's at for now until I can get some more shells. But I do think I'm going to make my first curio my Lego curio, because man, we got more builds coming. So y'all got to stick around, man. I'm just learning how to do them, so I'm doing these little pieces first so I can get a feel for it, learn what I'm doing. And because the pieces that make me even want to do it is some of the big pieces, some of the more professional pieces. So that's what even made me want to even get into it, because I want some of those. But got to start somewhere, man. So we're going to start small, work our way up. Now let's check out where I put the Star Wars. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. Boom. Here we go. Let me draw back. There we go. So there's the Millennium Falcon I did in the first video. It was just a short. And I got these Disney figures, well, these Star Wars figures from Disney, I should say, when I was at Orlando. So I just opened up that pack. I had them for a couple years now. And of course, gotta have the Millennium Falcon with Han and Carbonite. Yoda up there, Fett. So yeah, I think the shelving I want to get for my Lego is probably going to be all white though. Either all white or all black. Or I might have white, black. I'm going to see what I can find first. And then those are going to be my Lego shells. The curios are more for my statue-like figures. But need a place to put these when I start doing them. So yeah, here's my first two sets of Lego, y'all. Star Wars and the Millennium Falcon. As y'all can see, I got Star Wars down here. Probably more Star Wars than anything else. Star Wars over here. Lifesavers. Star Wars everywhere down here. Back here behind the theater furniture. Got some more up there in the little set. I even got some more up here that is hard to see because we're in the dark and I ain't got no more lighting down here. But that's my big boy set right there. Once I get my big sets, you know what I mean? That's when I'll use some of that for the stuff that I want to do. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed my build, man. Subscribe to the channel. I am just learning how to do Lego. So stick around, man. Learn with me. Watch me do it. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to get into Legos, then go on ahead. Get you some sets, man. And let's start building our Lego collection, man. Like, share, subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. We out.